Bibi ka na mo. Di ko bibugot.
No.
Unsa ka ni Papa?
Video sa his olo because he wanted to see his kaspa.
Yes mo. Nya, Bibi man ka na mo. Anong pabidyo-bidyohan ng kang bata nga? Bibi man ka na mo. Di man ka video-gator. Di ka video-gator ha. Ayan, yung sa mo si Papa ni mo.
He checked it out and I video it at the ulo.
At the ulo niya, what happened to his ulo man? What happened Papa's ulo?
There's a daghan kaspa.
Di sa daghan kas pa?
Si Papa.
Ah. Unya, naunsa ka? Nga nakaika luod.
No,
Niunsa ra de ka?
I just said nothing.
I used to nothing. Mora to gipagawas ka ni Papa kay pabidyuhon ka niya? Ha?
No, he only let me see his kaspa on his desk.
Oh no. Bibi lagi ka na mo ano di ako didyugate. Anong iwan ang pangsubuan, anak. Bibi mo ko na mo. Ako nang kulatohon ng Papa, be.
Popoy.
Ako nang kulatohon imong Papa ron.
Ayaw.
Ayaw ka ron. Ganang ipakutang-tang manan nimo siya kaspa.
Because Papa has so much kaspa. Hiya!
Dagan ko si Papa.
Yes.
Ay, yaks de si Papa de.
No.
Papa, Cheska said you're yaks.
I didn't say that.
Papa! Cheska said you're yaks.
What? I'm yak?
Ayaw.
Yeah.
What?
Cheska said that.
Did you really say that, anak?
No! What? Lying!
Yes, Papa.
Is Papa really yucky?
Mm-mm.
No.
Cheska said that to pa. You are yucky, Papa. Papa, Cheska is hurting me. Papa.
Am I really yucky, anak?
Yes. Yes, she told you.
Oh no.
She told me that last time.
Did you really love Papa, anak?
Papa, she told me that. Papa, she told me that last time.
Check ko nun. Lap, please, kung nakulantaw, lap. Kadit, lap. Asa dapitan na ako magtama.